Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Fujifilm FUJI DRI-CHEM SLIDE NaCl KCl. So as you can see, this is the front view of it. This is the top view of it. You can see it is manufactured by Fujifilm Corporations in Tokyo, Japan. You can see here it is an IVD product, C certified. Need to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. It's a 24 pack made in Japan product. So this is the front view of it. You can see it's a very small box. So guys, to sum it up, this is the Fujifilm FUJI DRI-CHEM SLIDE NA KCl. You can find the 24 pack size here, made in Japan. You can tell that it's an IVDC certified product. Needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. You can find all these details here. So thank you.